Good morning, everybody. Vlog 501. Last night, with my car, we had the check engine light go on, so we're going to go check that out today. Run by some Goodwills for a bed frame. We're still looking for what we were yesterday. I'm going to call somebody who I told might have a design job for me over the summer. So I'll definitely look into that today. And that is what is on the agenda. Yeah, you better not eat anything while we're gone. We still have not cleaned 100% since Christmas, but you know what? You gotta let that stuff linger so that the joy continues to radiate throughout the house. So, if anything else happens today, I'll let you know. Good morning. You ready to go for a run? Tanner, what do you think of it? Let's get in.
Oh, I broke it already.
Where you can save on items that you use each and every day, and it's all for free. Come in to any of our stores for details or go on UnitedFoodFuel.com and be sure to like Facebook.
Christmas cookie.
What have I become?
It works. And it was only $1. Alright guys, we've hit up a few. You have a smudge on you. Parker, get it! Parker, get it!
I don't know where it went!
Alright guys, we've been to a few.
It's upside down.
It's weird having somebody else hold the camera. We've gone to a few thrift stores. This is open as it always will be. But we're just strolling around. We're about to hit up one more thrift store. We haven't found any king-size headboards. Off to Lexus dealership we go to get the key. So let's do that. I won't. I like it. I really do like it. It matches the bed.
Gotta move the pictures.
So we'll secure it there and there sometime tomorrow?
Yes, it'll be on legs.
Sounds good. Just something to dry it off with. Oh yeah.
I'll do that.
Alright, what we are doing now is putting my ultimate stickers that I got for Christmas on my new car. We're going to put on the back windows, see which ones will go on there the best, and which ones will go on my laptop. So let's do that. Alright guys, the only other two things I have done today is we wiped down the inside of my car. Got a bit of the dirt out of there. We still need to do tiny spot cleans and do something with the carpet. And also Mom gave me a haircut. So those are the only other two things that you didn't see that I've done today. But anyway, one thing I think I'm going to do tomorrow, I never got around to this, I'll probably do that tomorrow. Another thing I figured out that I could do tomorrow is not having Frisbee over this Christmas break. I might be losing some of my stamina when it comes to running. I've been trying to do a little bit here and there, but I might kick it back in tomorrow. Maybe get some drills down instead of just running to get some of my stamina back. But that is on the agenda for tomorrow, and today is over. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.